workplace health and safety, MLF, moral, legal and financial. We want to have safety, health and safety in our organization, and we are giving 3 arguments behind this facts. Now, the moral reasons. In any organization, the most permanent people suffer from the organization are the employer and employees, as well as the stakeholders. Stakeholders are the people, they have had any direct or indirect relationship with our organization. So our lives depend on what we do at work. We all have a moral obligation not to cause harm to others. An employer have a moral obligation towards their employees and others to prevent injuries and ill health which result in a great deal of pain and suffering. We distribute this in some headings. Moral obligations of employers. Employers have a moral obligation towards their employees and others to prevent injuries and ill health which result in a great deal of pain and suffering. The second is effects on others. All these ill health problems or injuries will directly affect not only the victim, not only the injured or the victim, but also their colleagues. They will feel insecure and no longer willing to work efficiently and effectively. Families and friends. Actually, over here, colleagues, where you people are working and you see some accidents in a workplace, after this, it will be remain fresh in your mind forever, because it stores in our brain. And the families and friends will be also suffer. Purpose of worker. Worker come to our organization only for work for us and getting wages. But they do not want to get injury or fatality. So the workers are coming to work to gain wages and improve their financial and social situation, not to get sick and suffer from chronic disease due to their work condition or get injured or even die. Now the fourth one is effects on mental health. Long-term injuries and ill health have a major effect on our workers' mental health. The mental health of other workers could be affected if they are witness to any serious injury to other workers. Confidence. The regular inspection of the worker enhance the morale of the workers. Now, how we can enhance the morale of the workers? At the top management regularly inspect, or regularly communicate and consult their employees, then their confidence will be enhanced or increased. Work conditions. The work condition in the workplace is better. It enhances the morale of the workers. Workplace. A good workplace is good. It will enhance the morale of the workers. Cleanliness. If there is a proper cleanliness in the workplace, it will also increase the morale of the workers. Now, we just only give some headings over here, because nowadays in the examination, this question is coming. You will see the question: what are the moral reasons? So, for this we have to give the heading from such topics. Then we will easily give the answer to the questions. So then, legal. Actually, when we are talking about legal and social, because the social, this is the society pressure that gives rise to or forming the framework for the legal requirements. So that's why social and legal are same. Actually, we people have some social problems in our society, so we we raise this to the parliament, and the parliament for this giving us some legal reason, means they are put forward some laws and regulations. Now we are taking this to avoid prosecution. The criminal and civil law demands active management of risk, not just compliance with prescribed standard. It is a specific legal requirement to safeguard the health and safety of worker and others. Risk management is the cornerstone of modern health and safety law. The organization have to comply with the ILO, because internationally we have the ILO Convention C155 and the recommendation R164. So based on this, many countries, they have their local regulations, but their local regulations are national standards based on the international ILO convention and recommendation. Now, in established market economies, the social expectation of good standards of health and safety is at its strongest, causing organizations to have good standards that prevent injury and ill health in a workplace. In developing market economies, the social expectations of good standards of health and safety may be more of an inspiration and have less influence, leading to smaller number of organizations achieving good standards. Now, most countries have these legal standards in place in order to meet the expectation of their society. So it's the employer responsibility to provide safe place of work, safe plant and safe equipment or machinery, safe system of work, SSOW, then training, supervision and competency of staff. Now we are taking the third one, the financial reason. Economic financial reason. Accident at work cost a great deal of money, interrupt production, and business disruption, medical treatment and compensation. Now in this case, we have some insured cost and some insured cost and some uninsured cost, some direct cost and some indirect cost. Now we are taking this insured direct cost, the direct cost that we have had from the incidents in the workplace. Claims for compensation. This is the insured direct cost. Damage to building, tools, equipment and materials, medical cost, legal cost of defending a claim for compensation, prosecution, long-term loss of business. Uninsured direct cost. These costs will be direct but uninsured. Lost time of injured worker or workers suffering ill health. Continued payment to the worker or worker's family. Additional payment to replacement workers. Wage cost due to decreased productivity, because the productivity will be interrupted. Damage to low productivity. Damage to equipment, tools, etc. not covered by specific insurance. Most must at cost, time and materials to clean up after the incident. Increase insurance premium. The insurance companies, if we have more accident, they will increase the insurance premium for us. Then charges related to citation, notices, etc. Fine imposed by a criminal court. Claims for consequential laws related to effect on the supply chain, then from customers or suppliers. Uninsured indirect cost. Now see, out of curiosity, out of sympathy, weakened morale, the employees will be not happy, so the productivity will come down. Loss of important experience that the worker had. Lost time by supervisors or other managers assisting injured person, investigating the cause of the accidents to find out the proper root cause. So again here, waste of time. Arranging for replacement. Organizing activities to ensure the operations, resume the operations, selecting or training a new worker to replace an injured workers, preparing reports, attending enforcing agency meetings, attending hearing or inquest courts, interference with production leading to failure to fill orders on time, loss of bonuses, etc., effects on goodwill and reputation of the organization. Now we see here insured cost and uninsured cost. In the insured cost, damage to plant, building and equipment, compensation paid to workers, medical cost, legal costs associated with a legal claim for compensation, uninsured costs, production delays and downtime, loss of raw material due to accidents, accident investigation time, criminal fines and legal cost, sick pay for injured workers, overtime to make up for lost production, hiring and training new employees, loss of business reputation. As we see here, the iceberg, only 8% is their insured cost and 92 are not insured. Clear? These are the uninsured. This is the iceberg. If you have any question, please, or you need any clarification, please, or you have any doubt, please give in your comments and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much for the and we'll see you in the next video.